Global Hunger Index report is out now for the year 2021, and India has secured 101 position in this report. Earlier in the year of 2020, India had 94th rank, and its rank has been fallen down to 101 rank in the year 2021 compared to 2020. Okay, so this rank is out of 116 countries, so there is only 15 countries who is performing very poor or very bad than India. And if we are looking at the scale of this global hunger index, this is from 0 to 100, in which 0 means no hunger in that country, and the country which is scoring 100 point in the scale means that is a worst performer in this global hunger index. And this is released by Concern Worldwide and World Hunger Life, and they are considering mainly 4 indicators. One is undernourishment, which means that low nutrition for the children. Second one is child wasting, which means that the child will be having low weight for the height of the child. Okay. Then third is child stunting, which means child will be having low height for the age of the child. Okay. And fourth point will be child mortality, which means under 5 child mortality. So they are considering mainly 4 indicators. One is undernourishment, second one is child wasting, third one is child stunting, and fourth one is child mortality. Okay, so these are the main points that we have to keep in mind while we are studying global hunger index. Okay, thank you.